So in case your iPhone is saying no SIM card or it's not detecting the SIM card, there are a couple of things you can do, and the solutions I'll give you here should help most of you. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when you have a no SIM error on the iPhone is just to go to the control center, and then you can put your iPhone in airplane mode for a couple of seconds, and then turn off airplane mode, and that should try and refresh the network connections, and maybe your SIM card will be detected. Now, if that doesn't work, then you can try the next thing, which is basically taking out the SIM card in case you have a physical SIM iPhone. So simply grab your SIM ejector tool, pop it into the SIM tray, and then just take out the SIM card, maybe even give it a little wipe, and then you want to put it back into the SIM tray and put the SIM tray back into your iPhone. Hopefully, this should try and fix your specific issue. Now, for most modern iPhones, the SIM tray is going to be on this side. Now, this is a bit of an older iPhone, so my SIM tray is on the right hand side. For the newer ones, it's going to be on the left hand side. Now, that probably should fix your problem. In case it doesn't, or in case you have an eSIM, then that's not going to work for you. What's going to work is resetting your network settings. So if you go into settings, and then under settings, you go to general, and then under general, scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on that, and then tap on reset. You should see some options. You can reset all settings, you can reset network settings, keyboard and dictionary, all that stuff. What we want is reset network settings. Okay, so when you tap on reset network settings, that's going to reset all your connections, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and your mobile data settings. Okay, so you can try that and see if that's going to work. Now, I don't want to do that right now because I want to show you the next tip that you can try, and that's making sure you have Wi-Fi connection on. So when you have Wi-Fi, in case your carrier has sent some mobile connection updates, then you should be able to receive them. And you can get them when you go into settings. Let's just go back to the main settings page. So if you go to settings, and then go to general, and then go to about, and you just hang around this particular page for some time. If your carrier is trying to push some updates for you, or some files, some configuration files, you should be able to receive them around this when you're here. And once you receive them, you should be able to tap on install, and they're gonna get set up. Now, the other thing you can do is you check on your mobile service provider's website for configuration details. Okay, now once you check that, you can go into settings and then go to cellular, and then under cellular, you want to go and look at cellular data options. Or if you have a newer iPhone, you go to settings and then go to cellular, and then tap on that SIM card that you're not finding, and then you can see the details of that particular connection. Now, what you need to do is go to cellular data network and check this information. Now, you can find this information from your service provider or even from their own website. Things like the APN, okay, all this information here, you should be able to find it from your service provider. Now, if that still doesn't work, and you've tried everything I've just shown you, then you might want to try and perform a forced restart. Now, a soft restart is also known as a forced restart is also known as a soft reset. So to do that, you just press the volume up and then quickly press volume down, and then long press on this until the phone goes off, and then you see the Apple logo. So let's do that. So volume up, volume down, and then long press on the side button. You should see the power window, this exact window. Now, if you see anything else like Siri or some other stuff, then you've probably done it wrong. Either you were too slow or you missed one button. So just long press on that until you see the Apple logo, and then now you can let go and allow your phone to boot right back up. Now that should fix your problem. Now, if you've tried everything I've shown you and you still have issues with your iPhone not detecting your SIM card, then you might want to try and reach out to your service provider. There could be something wrong with that SIM card, either it's been blocked or something. Okay. Also, you can try and reach out to, you can try and put in another SIM card into your iPhone and check Because if you put in another SIM card and it works, then the problem could be the SIM card. Now, if you put in another SIM card which you know works and it doesn't work on your iPhone, then you could be having problems with your SIM tray or the iPhone in general, and you might want to visit an Apple store or someone who can check it out for you physically. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if any of these solutions helped you out, then maybe you can tell us in the comment section so it could help someone else. Thanks for watching and good luck.